This is the Snapcharge magnetic power bank. It snaps on the back of your phone, no cables. You know that moment when your phone hits 2% and you're already out the door? Yeah, that fixes that. And an AI agent just turned it into a full ad campaign. Storyboard, scenes, multiple video variations all in one workspace. I'll show you exactly how I did that. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm testing Topview Canvas. By the end of this video you'll see the full workflow from one product photo to a finished ad. Let's go. Here's the problem with most AI video tools. You write a prompt, you wait, you get one clip. Then you start over from zero. There's no structure, no workflow, just random clips all over your downloads folder. Topview Canvas works differently. It's a visual workspace with an AI video agent inside. The agent can plan and build your whole video project. And you can still edit every step yourself. And it now runs Seedance 2.5. That's the new model that generates 30-second video in one single shot. Let's test it with a real product, this Snapcharge power bank. Okay, here's my setup. I upload a few photos of the Snapcharge and I give the agent a simple brief with the key facts. 10,000 mAh, 15 watts, enough to charge an iPhone 2 times. And one clear story, you're about to leave home, your phone is at 2%. You snap this on the back, problem solved. One more thing, I ask it to end with a clear buy recommendation, a call to action like every UGC ad you see on TikTok. Now watch what happens. The agent starts planning right away. It breaks the idea into scenes, it picks a hook, an avatar, a visual style, and the key selling points. Look, it even builds a story around the 2% moment. The panic, the snap, the relief. Everything shows up on the canvas as separate blocks. If I don't like something, I click on it and I change it. No restarting. Now it's generating the storyboard frames. Every scene gets its own image. The avatar stays the same, the product stays the same. That's because Seedance 2.5 can use up to 50 reference assets, so it keeps everything consistent from shot to shot. With the most tools, the product changes shape between clips. Here, the Snapcharge looks like the Snapcharge in every frame. Time for the fun part. Let's generate the actual video. I'm using Seedance 2.5 and the headline feature is this: native 30-second single shot videos. Most models give you 15-second clips, then you stitch them together and hope the cuts don't look weird. Here the whole scene is one continuous shot. So let's see it.
So we're getting magnet snap charge. Look at this.
Honestly, better than I expected. The motion is smooth, the 2% panic moment feels real, the snap on the back of the phone looks natural, and there's no cables in the frame at all. And it ends with a clean buy, call to action, just like a real TikTok ad. But I want to change one thing. The last scene I like to see it from a different angle, and that brings me to my favorite feature. Normally you'd regenerate the whole clip for that. More waiting, more credits, more surprises. In Canvas there's a function called Clip Edit. I select only the last scene and I tell it what I want. Show this moment from a different angle. The rest of the clip stays exactly the same and done. Same avatar, same lighting, same product, just a new angle on the ending. This saves time and a lot of credits too. Now here's where Canvas really makes sense if you sell products or run ads. You never need just one video, you need variation, so this time I keep my prompt very simple. I attach two things, my finished clip and the product image. And I say, give me 3 new UGC clips with different avatars and different scenarios. That's it, I let the agent come up with the ideas, and it just does it. 3 new clips appear on the same canvas, next to the original. Same product, same energy, 3 scenarios I didn't think of. Made the normal way with filming and editing, this would take days. Here is one afternoon. That's the difference between a tool and a workflow. When I'm happy with the clips, I open the timeline, I preview the full clip, check the order of the scene, make small adjustments, then upscale and export. But here's the smartest part, I can save this entire workflow as a skill. Next month when I have a new product, I don't start from zero. I load the skill, drop in the new product photos and the whole system runs again. That's a real-time machine for anyone making content at scale. Okay, real talk, what do I actually think? Three things I generally like. First, the agent plan is visual and editable. Second, the 30-second single shots with a consistent product that fixes the biggest weaknesses of AI video. And third, clip edit. Changing one scene instead of regenerating the whole clip, that's just smarter. What could be better? Longer generation still takes some time and you still need to review every output with your own eyes. AI video isn't magic, you're the director and the agent is your crew. But as a complete workflow, this is the most organized AI video setup I've used so far. If you want to try Topview Canvas yourself, my link is in the top line of the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost for you. And one quick note, if you go for the ultra annual plan, you got 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 generation, so you can test the heavy stuff without counting credits. That's it for today. If this video helped you, subscribe for more AI tool tests. And tell me in the comments, what product should I run through this workflow next? Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.